Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, I am Benji, and today I have password problem.
There is your Benji sentence.
What? I said the important part.
You did, but we need one small word. Say, I have a password problem.
Right. I have a password problem.
Good. That little word, a, helps the sentence sound complete.
I know. Articles again.
Yes, your favorite enemy.
Sadly, yes.
Okay, what is the problem?
I cannot enter my account.
That is understandable, more natural. I can't log in. I can't log in.
I can't log in.
Log in means enter your account. For example, email, a bank app, or a shopping app.
So log in is not the same as sign up?
Great question. Log in means enter an account you already have. Sign up means make a new account.
Oh, so today I can't log in. I don't want sign up.
Almost. Say, I don't want to sign up.
I don't want to sign up.
Nice. Now tell me why you can't log in.
I forgot password.
This is your article problem again, but now it is my. Say, I forgot my password. I forgot my password.
I forgot my password.
Good. Compare these two. Not, I forgot password. Say, I forgot my password.
My password. Got it. In my first language, we don't always need words like my or a.
Exactly. That is why English feels picky here. But this small word makes your sentence clear.
Fine. English is picky. I accept.
Now what do you need to do?
I need reset it.
Good meaning, add to. I need to reset it.
I need to reset it.
Reset means make it new again. For a password, reset means make a new password.
Okay. I can't log in. I forgot my password. I need to reset it.
Very clear. What happens after you reset it?
They sent me email.
Another article moment.
I know. Can we move on?
We can. And this is the last tiny article stop for now. Say, they sent me an email. They sent me an email.
They sent me an email.
Good. Use an before email because email starts with a vowel sound.
An email, a password, a link.
Exactly. See, you are catching it.
Fine. Maybe a little.
Good enough. Now, sometimes the email has a link.
Link means the thing I click?
Exactly. A link is the button or address you click. They sent me a link.
They sent me a link.
But sometimes the link is too old.
Like old milk?
Yes, kind of. We say the link expired. The link expired.
The link expired.
Expired means it does not work anymore.
So I need new link.
Almost your signature mistake again. Say, I need a new link. I need a new link.
I need a new link.
Great, now let's use it in a real scene. Benji, why are you staring at your phone?
I can't log in. I forgot my password.
Oh no, do you need to reset it?
Yes, they sent me an email, but the link expired.
Do you want me to wait a minute?
Yes, please. I need a new link, then I can try again.
No problem. Take your time.
Wait, do you want me to wait a minute? That was new.
Yes, it is useful when someone is helping you and you need a little time.
I like that. It feels kind.
Exactly. Now let's practice with a few different tasks. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
I can't log in. I forgot my password. I need to reset it. They sent me an email. The link expired. I need a new link.
Now everyone listening, change one word. Say, I forgot my blank. You can say password, email, or username. Good. Now let's switch. Make your own next step sentence. Start with, I need to.
I said, I need to reset it.
Perfect. And you kept the words to.
I also remembered a new link, not new link.
Beautiful. Today we built one real account problem. You can say what is wrong, why it happened, and what you need next. Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What do you forget most often? Your password, your username, or your keys?
I vote password, and I would like to blame the computer.
Tell us in the comments. We would love to read them and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.